So here you see all the parts required for the motorboard assembly. You have the wheel itself, the motor, two pairs of that, including in the motorboard here. We're gonna mount the wheel on the motor first before we attempt to solder them to the board. So here's how we're gonna do this. The motor axis itself spins, so it's fairly hard to mount the wheel on the motor without actually holding it with another tool. So I like to use either needle nose pliers or in this case a precision wire cutter. So we're gonna hold the motor axis and then rotate or twist the wheel onto the axis here. Note that the wheels here, they have a thread, they are pre-threaded, or we actually use a drill bit to thread them with the same thread count and diameter as the axis here has. So we're gonna rotate those and thread it and screw it onto the axis here. So you're gonna move this all the way on. Note how we hold the axis of the motor with the wire cutters here. So you'll notice how the axis will start poking out on the other side of the wheel, as you can see here. When that happens, we're going to turn it around and hold this small part with the wire cutters. So here's where the wire cutters come in handy as opposed to needle nose pliers, because it's more easy to hold the motor shaft that comes out through the wheel. So we're going to keep screwing this on until it's roughly centered on the motor shaft. So we're going to do this with the second one too, and then we're going to start soldering.